Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to upgrade this radio to version 1.08, and the link for this zip file is going to be on a Facebook group. So it's not going to be on GitHub or anything like that. I'm going to put the link to the Facebook group. I'm going to put the link to the Facebook group. You have to go to the Facebook group, and there's going to be a post by Abdullah, and you'll see it there. Okay, and I'll put more. I'll show you the Facebook group on the next screen. But what's gonna happen is when we update this, we're gonna add some colorful themes to it, so you can change the screen color, the font color. Also, there is a couple of more enhancements on it. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna plug this in here in the meanwhile, and then I'll show you the Facebook page, and then we can proceed with the So I'm going to plug this in here and turn on the radio and leave it there. So now we're going to go to this group right here. Okay, that's the group right there. You don't have to join the group to get the download link, but you know what? Join the group, support the group because they are providing with the links. So, you know, don't be a cheapskate. At least join the group. Okay, we'll just blow up the group. And so you're going to go to the group. You're going to, right? We're going to do invite, right? Because I'm in that group too. You're going to scroll down. It's right here also, recent file, but if you don't see it here, there's going to be a post by Abdullah. So you're going to go down here and you're going to thank Abdullah. Right here, Abdullah. Scroll down. There's going to be a link. It's down here somewhere. You'll see it. You'll see it right here. There you go, Abdullah. And the link is good. Now, I don't have a place. I would like to put this file somewhere else. And for you guys to download it. But right now, I don't have no hosting or anything like that. If you guys want the file, if you can't find it here directly, you can email me. Okay, go to my homepage, send me an email. I'll send you the file link, and then you guys can share it somewhere else or whatever. Okay, sharing is caring, so let's take care of this. Okay, so because I don't know about Facebook. I don't know if Facebook can host stuff like this. I don't know, and I'm not using my Google Drive for stuff like this. I'm sorry. So, if you want this file and you can't get it here, you can email me. I'll send you the file directly. It's a small zip file. Ain't that big. It should not be a problem. Okay? Got it? Good. And now that we connected the radio to the computer, we got to turn on our radio. And then you're going to go to the device manager, and you're going to look at the COM ports. And in my case, it's COM 4 is right there. Okay? So we got that. We got it hooked up. We're good to go on this part. Of course, I went to that Facebook group. Downloaded the file, unzipped it. I'm not going to show you how to unzip it. If you don't know how to unzip a file, then you shouldn't even be doing this part. Okay, this is the folder created, right? This folder created. We're going to go in there, double click. It's going to have 4 files. Remember the last video, that upgrade was 3 files. This one's going to be 4 files. And it's going to be basically in the same order. The first one is going to be the bootloader. The second one is going to be the partition. The third one is going to be the INO, and the last one is going to be the most important one is the merge. Okay, I'll show you again. But just remember that when you unzip it, it's going to have 4 files, 4 bin files in there. Okay, just keep that in mind. Okay. Now, of course, from the last time, you're also going to need the flash download tool. I will put the link in the description for the flash download tool. Excuse me. And of course, again, you got to go to that website. You download the flash download tool. Of course, I already unzipped it here. I ain't going to show you again how to do that, please. Okay, it's going to create this folder. You're going to go in there, and that is the file right there, the flash download tool. Okay, and all you got to do here is double-click on it. And it's going to open it up over here. Okay, and there we go. I'm going to put it over here. Again, this is the flash download tool. Keep in mind, when you open up the flash down tool, you gotta leave this background open. And you're gonna have this other window open up here. Okay, so you cannot close this one. Otherwise, it'll close this one. Just keep that in mind. Just want you to know that. So the first thing we're gonna do is chip type. Right? Chip type is gonna be, we're gonna go down here. It's gonna be ESP32S3. Okay, we're gonna select that one. Load mode is gonna be USB. Okay? And we're going to click on that. We're going to click OK. And it's going to open up this tool. This is the flash download tool. Okay. And as you can see, mine is already set up here. But I'll show you again. I'm going to go over it. Okay. So there's going to be 4 files in here. Of course, the first one, we're going to select it. It's going to be the bootloader. Okay. So we're going to open that one. Excuse me. Select it. You can double click on it. I'm just going to do it this way. Okay. Bootloader. Okay. The second one is going to be the partitions. Again. The third one is going to be the INO. Just the INO. Not the INO. Just the INO. Okay. Mini INO bin. And then last but not least is going to be the merge. Okay. So that's all 4 of them. Of course, make sure they're all checked off. And then over here, we got to put these values in. Okay. So the first one is going to be 0 times 0. The second one is going to be 0 times 0, 0, 0. Okay, that's 4 zeros. Okay, got it? Good. Next one is going to be 0 times 0. Excuse me. 0 times 5 zeros. Okay, so it's going to be 0 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and the last one is going to be 0 times 0. Okay, so we're good there. Okay, everything else, leave it the way it is. And then the COM port, make sure it's the COM port that you have on your computer. In my case, it's COM4. The baud rate is 115/200. You don't have to change the baud rate when you go into Device Manager and look at your port. Whatever setting is on that, don't worry about it. During the installation process, it's gonna automatically change the COM port. So make sure you have it here though. Main thing is you have it here, 115/200. Okay. Your radio is connected. Your radio has to be on while it's connected. Now we're going to click on start. Okay. And now it's updating. Okay. It's going to take a little longer because it's 4 files now. Okay. So you can see the bar already, progress already turned green. However, you have to wait for the message to pop up here. So we're still waiting. And we're still waiting. Okay, it's gonna take a little longer than before because it's an extra file here, and basically we're recompiling the whole thing again. And I'm gonna do it in real time. I'm just gonna wait and wait because I know this time when I did it, it's up. Like, and there you go. It says it right there. That's when you finish. That's when it's finished. See, it's stop and send flash finish. So now we all done here. We good to go. Okay, now that we updated the radio with the new firmware, again, we're going to disconnect it. We're going to turn it off. All right? And then we're going to turn it back on. And there you go. Okay? And I could tell right away it did update it because it changed the, it looks basically almost default. I said there's a couple of little things there. And we're going to know by going to the menu. Right there, let me focus in there. Can I focus in there? And we're going to go to, you should see it right here. And bam, there we go, settings. And we're going to go to theme. Okay, now we got all these themes. So there you go. See, we got the blue sky. We got the e-ink. We got the pager. We got the orange. I know the camera doesn't do much justice, but believe me, they look pretty cool. This is the night one. This is the phosphor. This is the default one. And again, blue sky. So we got a couple of colors there. So I'm going to put it on, let me see. I think pager looks pretty cool. So let's go with pager. So that looks pretty cool, right? There's a couple of little things it added. One thing it did I notice was when you go to bands. When you go to bands, for example, let's just go to the band. See, you have the medium wave 1 and 2. And you have the 160 meter, whatever. Of course, they call it medium wave 3. When you go to like a ham band, I'll show you. You see, it automatically changes the mode. So now you don't have to manually change the mode. Okay, so right now 80 meter band, you see, it put lower sideband. I like that feature. That's a nice little feature. I like that. Your shortwave 1, of course, is AM mode, because these are broadcast bands. Again, we're going to go to 40 meter band and watch this. Bammo. Here we go. See, lower sideband. Pretty nice, right? And of course, shortwave 3, shortwave 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to go to the 20 meter band. And you see upper sideband. Nice, right? So anyway, so you get the idea. So pretty cool. Pretty cool that it does that. Of course, you don't want to go too fast. But anyway, pretty cool that it does that. Okay, you can CB band. And again, the 10 meter. We're going to go back to all. Let me go back to medium wave. All right. And there it is. Okay, so it's working nice. And again, go back to, you're going to go to settings. And there's a sleep timer thing also there. But you're going to go to theme. And we can change that now to, let me just put orange for a minute there. You can see, got the orange going there. Let me focus right here. And that's the way it looks. Okay, it looks a lot more, actually, in the camera doesn't do much justice, to be honest, but it definitely looks nice. I like the color themes. Definitely, I love these color themes now. You can, got the night one there. Let's go with the phosphor. I'll leave it on phosphor for now. It's okay. I like the e-ink and the other one. They're pretty cool. Okay, so there you go. So go back to settings. And of course, about this. Sorry about that. I went to sleep. Okay, sorry about that. Settings. We're going to go to about. And let's give credit to this guy right here. There you go. So there you go. All nice and set up. Now we got the color themes. You got the nice menu functionality. And now we got customizable color themes. And there you go. So back again, I'm going to put it. I like the, I definitely like the, which one is the, I like the pager one. Looks pretty cool. Kind of remind me of the pager, you know, when you had the pager. Pretty cool. So there you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.